Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? You don't remember buying anything big, yet somehow it's gone. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a guy who thought he was living smart, until one small decision taught him a big, painful lesson. This is Stories of Wisdom, and this one's called, Don't Waste Your Money on Silly Things. Meet Eli, a 24-year-old who just got his first real paycheck. He wasn't rich, but for the first time in his life, he had a few $1,000s in the bank. And like most people, he thought, I deserve to treat myself. So he bought a new phone, then new shoes. Then he started going out for coffee every morning. It's just $5, he said. But $5 a day turned into $150 a month. And that new phone, he barely used half of its features. Still, Eli didn't notice. He thought, as long as I'm not broke, I'm fine. One night, he was scrolling through Instagram. Every post showed someone with a better car, a better outfit, a better life. He thought, man, I need to step up my game. So he ordered expensive clothes, a smartwatch, and even a gaming chair, because a YouTuber said it would change his life. But guess what? It didn't. After a month, the smartwatch sat in a drawer. The gaming chair squeaked every time he moved. And those clothes? They didn't make him feel more confident, just more empty. Then one morning, Eli's car broke down. The mechanic said, "It'll cost you around $600 to fix." Eli froze. He checked his account, $58 left. He couldn't believe it. Where did all the money go? He went back through his statements, coffee, gadgets, random subscriptions, things he barely remembered buying. All those small purchases together had quietly eaten everything he earned. He felt stupid, embarrassed, and more than that, trapped, because now he had to borrow money just to fix his car, the same car he needed to get to work. That night, he sat in his small apartment, staring at the empty boxes of stuff he didn't use. He realized something powerful. All these things, they didn't make me happier. They made me feel important for 5 minutes and broke for months. So Eli decided to change. He deleted the shopping apps, canceled every subscription he didn't use. He even started tracking every dollar he spent, not to punish himself, but to understand himself. And slowly, something amazing happened. He started saving, not just money, but peace of mind. A year later, his car broke down again. Same problem. The mechanic said, "That'll be $600. This time, Eli smiled. He opened his savings app and paid for it without stress. He had learned something most people never do until it's too late. Money doesn't disappear. We trade it for things that don't last. He realized that every dollar is like a seed. You can plant it in something that grows, or throw it on the wind and watch it vanish. The truth is, you don't need to be rich to feel rich. You just need to stop spending on things that keep you poor. The next time you're about to buy something, ask yourself, will this make me happy for a moment or free for a lifetime? Because one smart decision today can save you from 1,000 regrets tomorrow. This was Stories of Wisdom. If you enjoyed this story, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. And if you want more short stories that teach real-life lessons, make sure to subscribe. Remember, wealth isn't how much you spend, it's how much you keep. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.